I think bikes, probably for most people, has got a link back to their childhood. I can remember my first ever bike that I sort of desired and wanted. It gives me the freedom, it gives me space to think. My name's Martin Meir, I'm the Managing Director of REAP Bikes. My passion for cycling comes from my triathlon career. I took up triathlon as a bet for beer, lost the bet, but I'm still doing triathlon 30 years later. I'm a composite engineer. I have experience in delivering one-off projects such as the amphibious vehicle for Gibbs Technologies through to 1,000 parts a week for Bentley Motors.
When I first met Martin, what struck me was the unique combination of skill sets he possessed.
Always wanted to design a bike. Did my first sketch back in '96, but because there was no composite industry for bikes here in the UK, it took me some time to provide myself with the opportunity to actually facilitate that. In 2014, opportunity came around, so we actually took that, reorganised the business to do so, and we started developing what we have today. We now have the ability to produce high-performance bikes from start to finish here in the factory in the UK.
The automotive and aerospace industries are market leaders in carbon fibre. REAP is applying knowledge and technology from those sectors in bike design to drive performance above the existing ceiling.
What sets REAP apart is the fact that we can make a bike from start to finish. We have control over the material selection, the technology selection, which sets us apart from all other competitors. An extension to that approach is we sell direct to customers.
We've got our own machine centres, we have our own design facility, we've got an autoclave for curing carbon parts, and we've even got our own paint shop. Almost no other brand in the world has all of that under one roof. Most other bike brands manufacture their frames out in the Far East, whereas doing everything in-house gives us far greater control over every stage, and we can use far more advanced processes.
Once we've got the form and the aesthetic right of the bike, we then concentrate on developing the laminate architecture to give the performance we're looking for. We're really pleased to be working with Britain's most successful Olympian, Jason Kenny. Jason will be coming on board to add his expertise to ensure REAP make the best performing bikes on the market.
We've developed 3 bikes. The Vulcan is our flagship model. It's developed for triathlon and it's designed around the rider to give ultimate performance and speed. The Vector is our ultimate road racing machine. It's aerodynamic, it's stiff, it's comfortable, it's everything you could want in a road bike. We've also developed the Raptor, which is our track bike. It's tested as one of the fastest in the world, which gives us a great platform to build upon. All 3 bikes have been wind tunnel tested and proven themselves to be as fast or faster than their closest competitors.
The UK bike market is over £1 billion. The European market is over 18 billion. Even a small share will be a great success for REAP Bikes.
We have developed 3 of the best bikes in the world, which gives us the confidence that we compete at the highest level in the future.
What's next is to commercialise that work through marketing and scaling up production.
We've got some great relationships within the cycling media. We already have a number of reviews lined up, and those expert opinions are going to be really key in developing REAP's brand awareness.
We've still got more to give because we've developed some of the best bikes in the world with the smallest budgets in the world.
REAP is a good investment because the development work has been done, the bikes are fantastic, and we're ready to go. Now is the time to get involved.